How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm back working on my crashed Honda Hornet. It's almost fixed, but it still needs a few more bits need to be done to it. I've got to re-straighten the handlebars, get the disc brake off, and also straighten out the clutch side on there, etc. But I'm also waiting for a nice sunny day so I can spray paint some parts. So this is why my video is probably coming out later than it is. So other than that, let's get into it. That's one tyre off, and I know the damage is there, so it does look pretty warped. Interesting how I'm going to straighten it. Well, it'd probably be easier just to replace it anyway. So while I'll wait for the new brake disc to be delivered, I'll take the handlebars off and do the rest of the bike. Right, and they're off. The thing is, when you look at them, they don't. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it. It's that side. So it's got to be bent this way. I think. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Don't know. Vaguely. So I'm going to take this to my dad's and see if I can get them straightened. And just like that, we are back with not so bent forks. So I've just got to put them back on now. Now I'm taking off the pain in the butt exhaust, but I'm glad I eventually got them off. They were just rusted solid. There we go. Right, okay, that took some going. I think these exhausts have probably never come off in like 20 odd years. But yeah, they are not looking great. They're all proper rusty and corroded. But I reckon, I don't know if you can see that in there. I wonder if I can cut that out, redo it up. I might be able to sell it on eBay, say like re-weld it and stuff. So, which I could have done that in the first place before I bought a new one. But you live and learn. Just like that, we've got some new ones. Right, the exhaust is on. Hopefully there's no holes anywhere and I've missed a bit or done something wrong. If I have, I'm going to have to take them off and reseal them. Let's try it. Yeah, they're not fitted right, so I'm going to have to put some sort of sealant glue on it and do it there. Oh, pain in the ass. And I've caught my finger. Ouch. Right, it's the next day. I've redone the exhaust, I've had sand down the tubes, and then I put some exhaust paste on it to kind of help seal it. And now it sounds better. Okay, so I put the rear tub on, just got to put the rear lights on. Look at that, looking good. Smashing, look at that. It's good. Right, so these are the new clocks, but I think I want to nick this casing, so it's going to take me a while to unscrew it all, but it'll be worth it. So it's actually been quite a few weeks and I finally got a brake disc that actually fits. So let's get it on. Right, okay, so that's done. I can now give it a new set of brake pads. So I've got just push them back in. It's probably easier if I undo the cap first. We got there. Oh, tits and going, we got it off. Right. Okay. Alright, finally got there. I've just got to kind of push that back. He's on. It looks a little bit more fiddlier. Right, so I've just got the new front and brake pads on. So now it's rebuilding the front end, so let's do it. Right, I'm going to quickly do this off camera, but I've got to take all the bolts off there, put new fairing and headlight on there. Let's do it. So bad. That's pretty good. Right, now the side bits. Too tight, but looks right. Now for the other side. Right, starting to look like a bike now. Awesome. Now just got to get your clocks on. Right, we got there. Okay. Hopefully that should just turn on. And it doesn't. Bugger. Right, I had a bit of a bad connection for the speedometer. It was just a bit corrosion on the back, so I just changed screws over. And now I don't know if you can see that, but we've got lights, signals, and high beam. Wonderful stuff. So now there's only one more job to do. I've got to sand down and spray paint the fairing. Let's do it. Doesn't look so bad. Just gonna get it wiped down and dry it off. Ready for the next coat. Well, there's a few imperfections, but I think I can live with that. Just got to let it dry and do the next coat. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, it's not looking that bad. Just one more step now is the clear coat. Right, so I'm just about to do the last coat of clear coat and then let it dry overnight, and then it'll be wet sanding it till polish. So hopefully it goes well. That's like that. That's a lot better. There we go. That looks a lot better now. So it was a long old day doing it, but hopefully it comes out good. We'll see. Right, so it hasn't actually come out that bad. It's come out a little bit darker than I wanted, but I'm hoping, I'm gonna do a 2000 grit and then compound and polish, and hopefully it takes that like dull sort of finish off and makes it a little bit more shinier. So let's get to it. Now, I think the key is to try to make it less blotchy where the aerosol can has gone over, instead of like an air spray instead. So it's trying to sand it down enough so that it just looks like immaculate paint. And I think I can just start to see it through. So I'm just learning a lot of YouTube and everything else. Alright, I'm going to quickly dry it off and see how it looks, and hopefully it looks dull, so then I can go in with the compound and then buff it all up. Alright, so I've used this before in my own car and it's actually like fantastic stuff, so let's see the before and after. So I'm hoping this goes right. Hopefully this will just polish it up and see how it goes. Right, so I don't know if you can see it in the light. So as you see, that there are two different shades of blue. So I don't know if the people who bought it off sent the wrong ones or not, or sprayed over it too dark. So I'm going to carry on doing some more compound and polish. I mean, it's not looking that bad, just wish it was a little bit lighter. So what I'm actually currently doing is putting the old lock back into the fairing. So let's get his bike finally rebuilt. Got to put the side fairings on. Now this stuff I bought for my car to go over the black bumpers, and it acts like a paint. So if you get it on any fairings or anything else, it's a pain to get off. There you go, it's meant to come out black. Okay, so I've got two more things to put on now, and the last being the num plate. So it's there, it's almost there. Right, so there you have it. I finally rebuilt my crashed Honda Hornet. So let me know what you think in the comments of actually how much it's worth. There's still a few cosmetic issues, like a couple of dents in the tank and the scuff down there, but I paid, including the bike, altogether I think just over £1,300. So was it worth it? I don't know. I got plenty of enjoyment of doing it up, so I'm going to take a quick spin around the block to see how it actually feels. So first impression is, I am a short rider, so I am feeling like I am on my tiptoes, but I feel more in a sporty sort of position because my 650 Bandit, it was a lot more heavier, but this feels so much lighter. So let's actually take it down the road and give it a ride. I mean, it sounds pretty nice as well, so that's all down. Oh, blimey, our clutch is on point. Jeez, I can already feel it, it's like really nimble. Jesus Christ. Jesus, it's pretty smooth, very smooth. And it's so light, I mean you can really feel like taking it around a racetrack because it's very smooth. So it's smooth on the throttle, it's not punchy like a high torque, so I start to think this is probably more of a low torque power. But turning, you know, it's nimble, it's light, it's a perfect lightweight bike. No, it handles like super well. So compared, like, yeah, really nice and smooth. So when you pull on throttle, it feels like it's got a bit of a restriction on it. It doesn't want to let you go full power. Maybe because I'm only in second. Oh, I was in third gear. I might understand why, but no, it feels good. It feels nice. Oh. But I don't know if it's, I mean I'm getting near to 30, but my friggin' leg is cramping up already. Ugh. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to something like that. But yeah, no, I think it's perfect, it's nice. But yeah, if you enjoy that sort of video, like it, subscribe it, stay tuned for the next one.